Hello, and welcome to the first video of 2022. Hope you had a good New Year's. Hope you're healthy and well and staying warm and safe wherever you are. I'm pretty excited about today's video. I'm doing something a little different, and I'm able to do that because we got a late Christmas gift here in the Northwest. The day after Christmas, we got about 5 to 6 inches of snow where I live. And that happens occasionally, but what was different about this time was a couple things. First, the temperature stayed below freezing for almost a week, which is unusual for us here in the Pacific Northwest. And the second thing was we got a second batch of snow of about an inch or two 2 days later, plus then we got some sunny days. So it was kind of a neat opportunity for some photos, and so that's what I did. I went out and took some photos. The other thing that was kind of cool about this snow, it was the very dry, powdery snow, so it was not too hard to drive in our handy-dandy Subaru Crosstrek with all-wheel drive. Thanks for that. So I'm going to share 5 locations I went to locally, real nearby. A few of them were within 2 miles of my house, and just let you look at the photos. Trying something different here, less of me chatting, more photos for you, hopefully to enjoy. Let me know what you think of this revision to the format. I'm going to try it for a little while, see how it goes. Please leave some comments below. If you like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Also trains YouTube about things that are enjoyable to you. And if you get to the end and you really liked it, I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe or share this video with friends. Growing the channel is always a fun goal and activity. So look forward to having some conversations with you about what you think about this video. So let's go take a drive.